Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how to make a delicious jerk ribs. This recipe is absolutely delicious, fall off the bone, smoky, spicy, everything you need in a rib. Before I begin, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let's dive in. We are starting out with 1 rack of St. Louis style ribs. I'm going to pat it dry on both sides. So my ribs already come with the membrane off for me, but before you use yours, if it has it, make sure to remove it because that's where all the flavor is going to get inside the meat. So I'm going in with a little bit of Dijon mustard, just like this. Then I'm going to rub that in. This is going to be using as a binder to make sure that seasoning stays on and actually give that rib a nice flavor for us. Don't worry, it's not going to taste like mustard, okay? Once you have that nice and coated with that mustard, you're going in with a little bit of dry rub that I did. This is optional. You don't really have to do it because the jerk seasoning we're going to use is such a good jerk seasoning, but I'm adding the jerk seasoning first, by the way. This is, I forgot the name, but I'll link it below. I'm going to apply that all over, just like this. This is the medium one. They do have a spicy one as well. So I'm just gonna rub that all over the ribs. Smells so good. Now, if you want, you can make this from scratch. This is a quick dinner. You can definitely make this from scratch, okay? I do have plenty other videos where I make jerk seasoning from scratch. Let me know if you wanna see it, I'll link it below for you. Now that it is coated with that jerk seasoning, I am going in with my dry seasoning. Now in here, I have a little bit of brown sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of smoked paprika, a little bit of cayenne pepper. Nothing too crazy because the jerk seasoning is already spicy. Not too spicy, but a little bit spicy. And I have a little bit of chicken bouillon in here as well. Pat this down, flip it over, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just like this, okay? Just pat it. Don't forget the side. Make sure you put some seasoning on the side as well. See that? I'm going to use this baking tray to place the ribs on top so it's not sitting on the water. I want a nice, I don't want it to be wet. I want it to be dry, you know? So I'm placing it on here. I'm going to bake it for about 2 hours on 350. I have to cover it as well. So let's wrap it with some foil. And now we're going to bake it for 2 hours on 350. Then remove the foil, turn on the boiler so we can boil the ribs, you know, make it nice and golden brown. All right, guys, the ribs is ready. Come take a look. All right, guys, it is time for the taste test. You see how bomb these ribs are? They're looking absolutely delicious. Let's give it a try. Wow. Got a little kick to it, of course. It's not falling off the bone, but it's very tender, flavorful. You get the hint of the jerk seasoning. Spicy now. It's spicy. Plus the sugar to balance it. Wow. This is absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit the video with the thumbs up. If you enjoy it, let me know down below if you're going to try this out. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.